A task involving the use of layers in AutoCAD. To begin with, we need to create some layers for the object we want to create. So if we go to the Layers group on the Home tab of the ribbon, and the top left hand tool on there is the Layers Properties Manager. So I left click on that and open the manager. There's one layer existing at present, layer 0, the default layer in AutoCAD, which cannot be deleted. And at the top here we have a series of buttons. The left hand one looks like a piece of paper with a sunburst over it. If we click on that, it creates a new layer. We can type the name for the new layer, outline, and select a line weight by coming across to the line weight column. It's on default at the moment. We're going to change that to 0.3 of a millimeter. Okay. We are going to create another new layer and call it center. And if we click on the line type now, the line type column, we want a center line, of course, none showing there, so we click on the load button, scroll down until we see the center lines, and there's 3 there, all different scalings. We want the center 2 for this drawing. Okay, highlight center 2 and click OK, and change the line weight. Change the line weight to 0.15 millimeter. Okay. Another new layer called hidden. So we type hidden. Change the line type from center 2 to hidden 2. So we need to load one of the hidden line types. Scroll down and select hidden 2. Okay. Highlight hidden 2 and click OK. Finally, we want a construction layer, so we type construction for the name, change the line type to continuous. Okay, change the color by clicking on the color column, currently set at white, and open the color palette and click on red. Okay. Change the line weight back to default by clicking on the line weight and OK. Select outline and click on the little green tick button at the top to make the outline there current, and close the Layers Manager down. Turn snap on to begin with, and let us have a look at our object snap settings by right clicking on the object snap button and click on settings. I'm going to clear them all and then just set the ones that I most likely will need. So we will want a center, a quadrant, intersection perhaps, and that should be sufficient. Okay, right, I'm going to start drawing the top view of this drawing, which is going to show the top and front views of a simple casting with the boss on the top and some hidden holes in the object, blind holes in the object. So I'm snapping to a grid point at the moment near the top of the workspace. So I left click and type 50 for the radius and enter. And I'll turn object snap on now by clicking on the button on the taskbar and repeat circle and snap to the center of the circle and type 15, which is for the central boss on this device. Change layers now to, by scrolling down the box where the current layer is, and click on construction. repeat circle. I want to snap to the center of this circle, but it's reluctant to do that. Here we go. So click on the center and enter a radius of 35. And now we change layers once more to hidden layer and repeat circle. We want to snap to the 12 o'clock quadrant point of the construction circle, so I need to turn the grid snap off to be able to do that. And left click at that point and enter a radius of 10. Now we want another 2 of these, 3 in total, hidden circles, so I will type array and open up the array tool. Select polar array with the radio button. Select objects means we want to select the hidden detail circle, and right click to get the box back. We need to pick the center point of the array, so click on pick center point, snap to the center of the big circle. Number of objects we require is 3. The fill angle is the default of 360, so we'll preview this. That's OK, so I will right click to accept that. Now change to center layer, and we're going to put some center lines from the hidden detail circles extending down to where the front view is going to go. So if we snap to the 12 o'clock quadrant point of the top hidden circle, turn ortho on and come well down the workspace. I'm putting grid snap on again and enter, and repeat that for the other 2 hidden detail circles. We can trim these if we require later. Now I want to create some projection lines for what's going to be the edges of the hidden detail circles in the front view. I will use the offset tool up here in the modify group. Click on offset, enter 10 for the offset distance, which is the radius of the hidden circles, and click on the left hand center line, click to the left of it, click on the center line again, click to the right, choose the next center line, click to the left, click on the center line, click to the right, and click on the right hand center line, click to the left, click on the center line, click to the right, and enter. I'm going to create some projection lines in the construction layer, so change to construction. Go to the draw group and expand it downwards and pick construction line, and we wish to snap to the 9 o'clock quadrant of the big circle. Move horizontally or vertically with making sure that ortho is turned on, and left click and right click. Repeat line, and we do that for the inner circle. Need to turn snap off. And repeat at 3 o'clock positions of these 2 circles. And we're almost ready now to start drawing the front view, which will continue in the next part.